Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, we were driving and we saw this really cool statue. You can kind of see it above, if I can get the angle right. But it's a beautiful, hot 102-degree Fahrenheit day, so it's really hot outside. But I wanted to show you, give you a closer look at this new shrine in Khon Kaen. It's really beautiful, so let's take a look. Alright, so I'm just walking up these steps, and when you see this, this means this is the place that you take your sandals off. Ooh, hot. Oh, really hot. I feel like I'm on the beach on a really hot day. Ooh, okay. I stand on these mats, it's not so bad. And looking straight up, it's pretty large. And Thailand uses the Chinese calendar, so that's why it shows 2557. We're not in the future. Actually, technically I am in the future. 12 hours in the future, compared to my American friends and family. It's funny. Oh my gosh, this tile is hot. Switch up to the... Alright, headed back down the steps, and you can see the truck in the distance. Rangoon is comfortably relaxing. So we're at Kalasin. It's like a little university town. And we were just looking for somewhere to drive, and there's not much open because today's Sunday, and a lot here does close on Sunday, but there's a small market, so we're gonna head in and check it out. It smells good. You want some gold, honey?
Can I have?
Yeah, how many baht you want? Is 10 baht okay for one finger?
10 baht.
10 baht for one finger? Make you finger heavy? You can go that way, yeah? Go ahead. This way? Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty good sized market. And here's the fresh part. You okay? People crowd. Oh, smell? The smell? Yeah, yeah.
And there is more. They have like a sticky one over there.
Nah, I think not. Let's just look. How about that?
2 กล่องค่ะข้าวโพดนะคะข้าวโพดค่ะก็ข้าวไข่ลูกค้า
Hey, สวัสดีครับ Hey, I have to make a video of this. This is a 7-Eleven machine. And here the gold shop's closing next to us. The workers are excited. But look at this. So we've seen 7-Elevens in containers, in converted containers. But this is the first time I've seen a 7-Eleven vending machine. Looks like Japan is slowly coming to Thailand. That's great. Okay. A lot of coins?
Yes.
Oh, cool. So if they have a machine like this next to us, we can get coins whenever we want for the shop. Yeah. Yay, a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, so. Hey, สวัสดีครับ
3 enough?
You think so? Yeah, that's good.
This have a bone and that is not have.
1.5? Yeah, maybe some of each.
Okay.
Yeah. Khon Kaen. Thank you. Nah, pay her already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So.
อันนี้อะไรลาบปลาเหรอคะเอาลาบปลาถุงหนึ่งเท่าไหร่อ่ะ20 บาทค่ะ Then I'll have like a sauce, but I order something spicy a little bit.
Okay. Okay, yeah, great. We need something else?
Your meat on stick?
Okay. This guy looked the best to me, yeah. Oh,
ไม้ละThis is 5 baht.
oh really?
เอาอัน
Nice.
ร้อนๆให้หนูหน่อยเอาสักเอาเงินเป็นเอาหมูสัก40แล้วกันอันนี้ขายยังไงอันนี้มันคืออะไร
เป็นคอหมูย่างนี่เป็น
เอาอันนี้ออก2 อันได้ไหมมันเยอะไป
ได้ครับได้
เยอะพริกเยอะเอาให้หนูอันนี้แล้วกัน40หั่นให้ด้วยนะ
อุ่นแน่ครับ
อุ่นด้วย thank you
ก็รอแป๊บนึง
ได้ค่ะ ไม่กลัวเลยตะเกียบ
Yeah, great. That's a pig ear, yeah?
เขาจะไม่กินหรอกเชื่อเถอะแต่ว่าถ้าอยากลองเพราะว่าจะไม่กินกระดูกอ่อนอะไรอย่างนี้แต่เราเนาะชอบที่มันดึกไม่กินกันแล้วแต่
Yeah, I can smell the pig ear. We had a nice trip and we're just getting some meat on a stick and trying pig ears.
Yes, that's very have like a soft, a little bit soft bone inside. Make like you have the another texture to eat, crispy and they mixed with the seasoning to make a flavor. I don't know you like it or not, but you to try.
Yeah.
But not eat soft.
So,
I make him try today.
yeah, let's try something new. So excited to try that. So, but thanks for watching, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
Yes.
Please subscribe, and so you can get updates. Click the bell icon, hit thumbs up, and make a comment. Let us know what you want to see next. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Ice Pepsi. All right. Great. Hi.